Welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. Students, today we will continue our chapter 1, that is more about plants. In previous video, we have learned about the reproduction in plants and the various ways of reproduction and seed dispersal. Now today we will learn about the agriculture. So first, what is agriculture? The practice of growing plants on a large scale for food or other purposes is called agriculture. So for food, we grow wheat, mustard, fruits, vegetables, and for other purposes to obtain glue, rubber or fiber, we grow plants. So what is agriculture? The practice of growing plants on a large scale for food or other purposes is called agriculture. Now the crops. What is crops? The large amount of grains, fruits and vegetables grown by a farmer in a particular season at a particular place is called a crop. It means the large amount of food items grown by a farmer in a particular season and at a particular place is called crops. Now there are two types of crops. One is Kharif crops and the other one is Rabi crops. So Kharif crops. Kharif crops that are grown in summer are called Kharif crops. These crops are grown from June to October and depend largely on the monsoon rains because these crops need lots of water. They need wet and clay soil. For example, rice and maize. Now the Rabi crops. Rabi crops that are grown in winter are called Rabi crops. These crops are grown from November to April and they require sandy soil and they also require less water. So these crops do not depend on monsoon rains. For example, wheat and legumes. What are legumes? Plants that have their seeds in pods such as beans, peas, kidney bean. These all are the legumes. They fix the nitrogen in the soil because in their roots nitrogen fixing bacteria is present which fix the nitrogen in the soil. Different stages of agriculture. The various stages of crop production are given below. Those are plowing, enrichment of soil, sowing, irrigation, use of chemicals, harvest and storage and transportation. So, first one, plowing. The loosening of the soil is called plowing. Before sowing the seeds, the soil are loosened to let air get into the soil. And plowing is also important to remove stones and pebbles from the soil before the seeds are sown. Second stage of the agriculture is enrichment of soil. So after plowing, manure and fertilizers are added to enrich the soil. Manure means cow dung. Cow dung is very good for the crop production. It makes the soil fertile. And the fertilizers, these are the chemicals. Fertilizers are the chemicals such as urea, superphosphate, ammonium sulfate and nitrate. These are chemicals which also make the soil fertile. Now sowing. After adding manures and the fertilizers, the seeds are sown in the soil. During sowing the seeds, it has to be seen that there must be sufficient space in between the seeds so that they get enough warmth, air and water as required by them to grow and do not compete with each other for the same. Now irrigation. Irrigation means watering the plants. Water is supplied to the field through pipes and channels so that crops get sufficient water for growth. After irrigation, chemicals are sprayed to kill the pesticides and the insecticides which can harm the crops as like mice and other insects. Farmer also place scarecrows in field to frighten away the birds. The fields are also fenced to protect the crop from grazing animals. So, after using of chemicals, when the crops become ready, they are harvested, and after that those are stored in the godowns. The crops are harvested, that is, they are cut and gathered when they ripe. The harvested crops must be stored in godowns carefully to prevent damage to the grains and the seeds. Transportation. The stored crop is transported to different places from where it reaches our kitchens. Now some non-perishable crops such as cereals and pulses, they do not decay quickly, so they are stored for longer period and transported later. But some crops, some perishable crops that decay quickly such as fruits and vegetables have to transport it quickly. So students, today we have learned about the different stages of agriculture. Now, step farming. In hilly regions, people do not have flat space to grow crops. So what they do? They cut steep slopes into several steps and create flat surfaces for growing crops. This type of farming is called step, counter or terrace farming. Now read the chapter and learn keywords given in page number 12. That's all for today. Thank you.